Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy with work and family, and honestly, I just took a break from videos. Not really from trading though. So far I've been trading pretty good. Patreon's been doing really well, and I just wanted to update you guys on what happened this past week, or not really this week, but how we closed on Friday. This is more so a warning because again, we have just closed for the first time a bear week, and another bear week since May 8th. Keep in mind, this last time that we closed a bear week, we did end up closing it at 412 and we moonshot $30, right? Which is 100% not what I expected. I think I ended up losing like 80K. I'm still down from that number, and I'm trying to make it back right now. I did make it back in Forex. Forex is a different story. I mean, I think I made like a $250,000 like this past week, but in actual options, I still my options account is down like 80K, and I'm still trying to make it back. I think I'm down. I made back, I took it, oh, that's my daughter, so I gotta go right now. So I deposited like 4K in Webull, and I grew that to 15K. And then slowly I'm trying to grow that back to 80K again. So I'm only down really about maybe, it's at 15-ish. So what is that, 70? So I still need to make back like 65K, I think, or something. Boy, mama. So I see, it's just there's a lot of things going on, man, and work's been busy. So again, fair warning that the last time we closed the bear week on SPX, right? Last time we did that was here, dropped, right? In 14 days, you dropped $30 in here, right? In 21 days, you dropped $25, right? From here, this was actually a low, so you actually canceled this out really quick, and you went down only $5 before you moonshot. But again, I am not somebody that's going to go against my triggers ever. This last time it ended up going against me, which sucks. But again, I'm not really going to be going against the triggers, right? I'm just not going to do it, right? So that's my daughter. Okay, I'm going to finish this video really quick. And again, forecast again is like the next maybe 21 days. Okay, I gotta go because I'm telling you guys it's been busy. So 21 in 21 days, $25. My guess is we can probably see 420 again by like the end of July. That's what I think is gonna happen. So just a quick fair warning, I am gonna start posting videos again. My website is basically ready. I'm getting ready to deploy my book, and then also, oh, that's my daughter. And then I'm also gonna start pushing videos out in a new format. I actually just set up my laptop so I can start making videos from my laptop. That way they're like, that way they're sideways and stuff, and actual videos and not on my phone. Okay, I gotta go, guys. That's my daughter. So again, I think we're going down to 420 again in the next maybe 30 days or so. We just closed that bear week, and again, I'm not one to go against my triggers. And we end up canceling this out, then I'll end up showing you guys again. But okay, I'm out, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna be back. Bye bye.